Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily remove or delete a phone number from Cash App. So here's a easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to launch the Cash App and tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. Then under your profile menu, tap the personal to access your personal information like your phone number and email. Then after that, you have to select the listed phone number to open options to edit or delete it. Then after that, tap delete or the trash icon or tap add phone number to replace it with a new one. Then you will need to verify the number via the SMS. And after that, if replacing, enter the verification code sent to via the text and save the changes to update your account settings. And here's a very optional. This can also help you refresh these app settings. So make sure you sign out and sign in again, because this actually help you refresh the settings. So to do this, go to your profile and select sign out, then log in again with your updated phone number. And that's how you can easily remove or delete phone number from Cash App. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.